Hey, hello everybody. This is Brian back with the Kaspa KAS token update. What a great day we had today. Things really shot up there. We're up 1.31% as I make this video, and we hit some price targets that we had lined up there. So we're going to get back into this thing in a second. I'm going to show you what I expect next out of this coin, and we're going to take a in-depth look here and see what's going on here. Things are looking really good though. So number one, let's Investors Observer gives Kaspa says, how does the chart look Sunday? They do rankings on coins. Very great company. They do rankings on almost every single coin out there, but they give Kaspa a 99 rating right now, which is extremely bullish. And that is short term. They do these things short term analysis, but it says over the past month, overall the recent trading history of Kaspa suggests that traders are currently bullish on the coin. Kaspa's market cap of $642 million is relatively average for a coin. The market valuation for Kaspa is relatively average due to the largest 100 cryptos having a market cap above $1 billion. And KAS sits underneath that mark but remains above 100 million in market capitalization. Meanwhile, KAS average volume is 195 million worth of the coin traded over a 24-hour period. The volume for KAS is relatively average, as the most traded 100 cryptos have roughly 100 million worth of the crypto exchanged over a 24-hour period, and a large portion of the market trades at least 5 million worth each day. Over the last 24 hours, KAS's volume is below its usual, with $31 million exchanged. Kaspa's subclass digital money. Digital money is an asset, commodity, or currency intended to maintain value and liquidity over time so that it may be used the same way fiat currencies are used. Then their summary here, it says, due to recent trading giving more bullish signals for traders on the coin's short-term movement. So that they gave it a 99. That's one of the highest scores I've seen for a while, okay? And if I could ask you please to hit that subscribe button before I forget. Would love to have you here. I cover Kaspa quite a bit now. Had a lot of requests for it, so I'm going to be covering it regularly, and would love to have you here. We've got a great community going, and we would love you to be part of it. So we do a giveaway the last day of every month, and to be included in the giveaway, all you have to do is be a subscriber, and that's it. So let's get into this thing. Here is the top 100 crypto bubbles for the day. Look at all the green out there. Boy, is that good to see. I don't know if you watched the last few videos. Been a lot of red out there, and that's for the day. Here's for the last hour, so you can see starting to do a little bit of corrective moves out there, okay? Bitcoin broke that 29,000, which we were waiting for finally. You know, that's fantastic. But a lot of these are on the 4 hours are getting overextended and due for just a small pullback. You know, we go up and down, up and down, up and down. That's the way the market goes, but totally normal. So here's your crypto fear and greed index. Let's reload this 1 second. Only takes a second to do this. I just want to make sure it's up to the second. There we go. Market cap is up 2.22% at $1,258 billion. Volume is up almost 30% at $43 billion. Bitcoin dominance is at 44.8, up 1.45% for 24 hours, and we're up one click to a 62. We were at a 61 yesterday, but we're still into greed. Here's your top 100, and I also want to reload that real quick. This way, there it goes. It reloaded already. It's fast. Conflux is your number one high gainer there at 15.67. And like I said, the only reason Kaspa isn't on here, if we search it, it is this is straight from CoinMarketCap. Kaspa. Right now we are number 212 on the ranking. I apologize if it's a little bit off your screen, but number 212. So moving up there, getting up there as that market cap continues to build. Keep moving up every week, closer and closer. So here's your top 100 though. I'll go down through them if you want to freeze the screen and take a look at it. If you look on the right, not much as far as losers go, that's for sure. Got a lot of everything up. I mean, even the lowest coin is up 2.28%. So Good day. We've been calling for this Bitcoin breakout. We've been calling and calling and calling for it, and what do you know? We finally got it. Okay, I have an alert set up there, and also I actually have one set up here. But let me take that off that because Bitcoin was forming a wedge up here. I keep an eye on this thing numerous times a day, and it finally broke through there. But if we look at them RSIs, like I said, this is on the 4-hour. That 4-hour needs a little bit of a correction. All right, so this thing had let's see here, 1, 2, 3, 4, looks like 5 waves up there. That could have been just a third. It could have one more going the way it looks here. Let's zoom in here a little bit. Yeah, it looks like it could have one more up here. It looks like a 1, 2. That would be our 3 longest one. We're gonna have some pullback here. Probably come back down here and retest that, and then we should have one shot higher here. So, got to keep an eye on that real close. But that definitely looks like we have one more leg up here with Bitcoin, and until we do a bigger ABC correction up there. So the 4 hours overextended. The 1 hour's overextended. The 8's getting up there, and the daily's just turning up. So this thing's got some legs this week still to go. So that moves the market. When Bitcoin broke that 29,000 this morning, that's when everything else started taking off. You know, Kaspa took off before that, but I got to move that support line up here. Bitcoin broke out and did a retest right there. You can see that's why I say never buy big green candles, wait for the pullback, and it got a retest, and it's probably going to consolidate for a little bit, may even come down a little bit, you know, back down to here even before we get that 5th wave up. But we'll see what happens. Let's dig back into Kaspa here, because I know that's what you're here for, and that's what we're all here for. I've been watching this thing for hours today. We hit our price target that we had there, kind of blew through it and actually went up through the other side. So we hit that target. I'm going to remove that off the screen just to clean the screen up some, and you can see we got, let's count these out here. Okay, we got 1, 2, 3, 4, and that 5th one just took out that 3rd wave. So that could be it for the moment. We could have an ABC correction here. It could have a little bit more legs up there, but you know, I was expecting it to come up maybe up to 0.0385 area, and it still could do that. You know, this RSI could come down halfway and shoot back up, and we could get that final push out of this thing. But it just took out that 3rd wave just barely for a 5th wave up. So still might have a little bit left in it. Not sure yet. We'll have to see if it does. But this is playing out completely like we had planned with this overall 5 wave up move here that we were talking about. Okay, let me move this out on a 4 hour here. First of all, let me show you these RSIs. Okay, the 1 hour is overextended. The 4 is up there. The 8 is up there, and the 12 probably still has a little bit of room left. Let's see. The 12 is about halfway up, but what is really nice is look at that daily. So that means we have some, you know, not financial advice, but I'm thinking we definitely have a lot more movement coming this week. Okay, don't get frustrated with pullbacks. We have to have these ABC corrections. They're just normal. After you have 5 waves, you're going to have an ABC, a 3 wave, and then we're going to have another 5. Okay, them all fit within our big overall picture here. All right, which is, let's put this on the daily so we can so I can fit this in the screen this time. Okay, so what we would have is this would all be a 1 wave. Okay, we're starting on this 3rd wave and I'm thinking this is probably shooting up somewhere around the when it's finished, going to be up around the 9-10 cent area. You know, not financial advice. Please don't I'm not qualified to do that stuff. I just show you what I see in these charts, but I'm thinking it's going to be up to the 8 to the 10 cent area by the time this thing's get running up here. But we'll have sets of waves in here. Okay, we got our first set of 5, we'll have an ABC, then we'll have another set of 5 in here, okay, and then an ABC up here. But these are micro moves inside of these bigger moves. So if you watched yesterday's video, we talked about the 5 waves up. We talked about that yesterday, and we got that today. This thing played out perfectly. So that's all I got for you guys today. Things are looking fantastic. I hope you enjoyed the video, and we hit our first price target, guys, that we put up there. So don't be surprised if we see a little ABC correction here. Like I said, we could have one more little push out of this thing up to this resistance line at 0.0385, but I wouldn't expect more than that today, before we get a correction. With these RSIs getting overextended, we have to correct it sometime, just like we did here. We had that correction. We had a small correction out of that 2 wave, but things are looking really good with this coin. So all right, guys, thank you so much. Please hit that subscribe button, and have a fantastic night. I will definitely talk to you guys very, very soon. Probably have another video out tomorrow. So thank you so much.